you know, the man of peace. Me nah stop try, me nah stop try. Me no care how long the journey take, how much setback they get. Me nah stop try, why should I? Yeah man, one day we must get the help, my man, and the real deal.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah. Blessed love, a pleasant good morning. Viewers and subscribers, well done. I don't know Livefoot TV, the man of peace. You see me? Arsenal forever, you know? Arsenal forever, you know? Yeah, man, catch me in the stadium tomorrow at the Emirates, where we entertain Southampton. Yes, man. Don't know our last 3 meetings with Southampton hasn't been good. I think we drawn 2 last one. You know what I mean? Yeah, so but this is not about football. You know what I mean? This is an update regarding Usain Bolt. You know, disappointed in the lack of communication and updates and failure to return his money, 12.7 million US bucks. See, and also Mavado. It is alleged and accused of robbing some UK promoters, you know. Promised them show, and he keep cancelling the shows them, and he went back to the US with over £500,000 allegedly. It out there in the news, so we are talking about it. We don't know if it's true or a lie or why, you know? Or why, but don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. Good morning, the sun has shine, but it's cold, winter there. You see me? Yeah, man, we are forward. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, man. And that's how we do it, you know. Vlog on the go, you see me? Yeah, sometimes we use the mic, sometimes we do it naturally, just walk and talk. See what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so we give thanks to life, health and strength, give thanks to another day. You know, give thanks. You know what I mean? Life for the greatest gift, church every moment. You see me, some people, sun is shining and star, but I'm going right to spot them greenery out there, and I'm going to like them green tree here. You see me? Yeah, man, so we're going to talk about those 2 topics, and the crime and violence. Another mass shooting going on one part. You see me? At Chilani, on them part there, where 8 people got caught up and 4, no make it, you know. Condolence. Again, don't know my viewers and subscribers, so sad, man. So Usain Bolt, you know, you see me? Yeah, Usain Bolt, money gone down there. Nah, get no update, nothing at all. You see it? Don't know, sir. So I'm going to read a little article here where it's up on the screen, just the headlining, and we talk about it. See? Yeah.
Jamaican athletics icon shocked and disappointed at lack of updates on SSL fraud. Failure to return stolen 12.7 million US dollars from his account.
Yes, man. So yeah, basically he's been left in the dark. You know what I mean? No communication, no updates about his money, or he's going to get back his money. And no matter what people might say, I'm a millionaire and I'm rich, and I still the man money, still 12 point mash that mill. You know what I mean? We can put aside for him kids them, him grandkids them and great grand. You know, can put another piggy bank for them. I never know. Nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. Nobody no guarantee tomorrow, you know. You can walk out the road or something liquid down or in the plane and the plane drop out of the sky, God forbid, or we take sick and I hit that. You see me? Nobody knows. Stray bullet, you see me? Nobody knows, so. Usain Bolt is not a happy man right now, and if I was in his shoes, I would have feel the same way too. That's just so wrong, man. You see me? So wrong. super wrong. You know what I mean? Man have him money in a bank and people just know say I Usain Bolt lot and meddle and fiddle with the man money. You see me? Take it and gone and no updates, no reassurance of him getting back his money and all of them things there. You see me? So Jaja God. You see me? Not a good look, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think about that still. You see me? Moving on now, next we see this a circulate around in the air on social media. People are talk about it. You know what I mean? Some Mavado, you know, when he was here the other day, you know, him keep a show, the show slap where sharp crowd. You see me? And it is said that if you come back, come do another show. Because the first show, the way it was so ram-packed, we see other promoters saying the show never organized properly and health and safety and all of those stuff came out in the air and in the paper. So like another show was supposed to keep to, for the other people them, yeah, next show was supposed to keep, then it cancelled. So now we see this pop out now, and it is all alleged. You see me? So we're going to read a little article here, and then we forward back on the screen.
Breaking news, Mavado robbed UK promoters over £200,000 from the London show. The show was funded by a group of investors. Tickets were sold through Mavado's Eventbrite account. He took over £500,000 from the ticket sales, promised them to do another show and cancel it. None of the investors got their money back. Also, Mavado did not sign a contract, so they are fucked. Knowing the criminal Mavado is, he won't pay back the money. This is very bad for his career cause he cannot come back to London to do any more show. I heard one person puts in £80,000. Wow. One person put in £80,000. If this is true, it's very bad. Not a good look. And again, it is alleged. Yes, the key point, the key word in this article here, no contract was signed, so there's no proof of any agreement or any dealings.
Yes, man, John O'Star. Not a good look, you know. Not a good look on Mavado side. If it is true, and if it's not true, still not a good look because you don't want these rumors and, you know, you don't want these rumors to be circulating and luring around your name and your brand. And people are going to say you're a scammer, you're a thief. And if it is true, that's not good. Again, as I say, if it is bad, it's still not good. You know what them think that's around their name, you know? But if it's true, I say, why can't people be honest? You know what I mean? So, promoter put in them money. I hear how much money one promoter put in. How much pound. You know, there was time, right now, if I get £10,000 right now, I boss myself musically. Yeah, man. Yes, it. But, I tell you, still not a good look on the Gully God side, you know? And, you know what I mean? Because people are saying him dishonest and, you know, you come and you eat your food. Make everybody eat and feel happy, man. Because keeping a show, one person cannot keep a show. You have to have a team, a body of a team, you know? Like 3 person, 4 person put in their money. And when the show shut and keep, you know, the profit, everybody get back their money plus them local profit, you know? But if you come and gain so much money and then you go back again and promise a show and now return the show, no response, nothing at all. You see me? It's not a good look. And we're saying alleged because we don't know if it's true, nobody cannot prove it, you know? You see it? Yeah, man, that's the thing, yeah, man. So let me know anything about that, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? If anybody can affirm or confirm it is true, let me know in the comment section below. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, I'm moving on now. I look at another mass shooting going. But the mass shooting come like it get popular now. Or can't catch squawk catch shot or anybody there on spot get shot. You see me I say? So I look at thing going and you say yeah people get caught, 4 hospital and 4 life gone, you know. My sincere condolence to the families of the deceased and speedy recovery to the injured. You know what I mean? We don't know what went down, what happened, what spiraled. And we have to be careful of hanging out on corners nowadays and bars. Because it seems like the bars them are getting targeted a lot. Sometimes a one man them want it and one man they all have one bar and a drink too special or, you know? And then the man them just pull up. You see me? You must say pull up and empty Matica Spark. You see me? Well, yeah, tell you viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. So, I don't know how much love in the life and respecting and the man of peace. Speak up on yourself. See, Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Be careful out there. You know what I mean? Stay away from trouble, walk away. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. Cool shots.
Nah, stop trying. Nah, stop